what's up? It's your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you guys saw from the title and the box right here, that this wig is from Hairvivi. You guys know I love Hairvivi. The hair is amazing. You have to do nothing when you take it out the box. So today we're doing a new technique. I did not come up with this technique. I actually saw it. I am Erica J. Her channel is amazing. Check her out. We're gonna be using tweezers, okay? So get rid of your scissors for this video. Disclaimer though, if you are not a hair pro, kind of sit this one out because I don't want to be blamed for you possibly ripping your wig for not doing it right, okay? So what you want to do, and what I did, because this is my first time doing it, so allow yourself to practice before you go ahead and pluck close to the hairline, because if you mess up, at least you can easily just say this is not for me and just use a scissors to just make that nice straight neat line on the hairline. So what I'm doing is just putting a little bit of lace in the tweezer and then kind of just pulling in a backward motion. Do not put a lot of lace in the tweezer because you're gonna just make the lace rip and turn to strings, as you can see in this direction right here. Now, since I feel like I got my rhythm and my flow, now I'm gonna go close to the hairline. Now, I pretty much just followed the direction of the hairline. You guys know I didn't pluck anything. I didn't do anything to this wig. I just took out the box. And so I'm pretty much cutting the lace with the tweezer, going in the direction of the hairline that was already made for me. So this is where we're at right now. Now, I think the whole purpose of this method is to kind of give it that nice, raw, natural edge. This actually makes the lace melt into your skin better, okay? So I quickly started to figure that out because I know sometimes when you get these HD laces and stuff, the edge of the HD lace wigs or lace frontals that have a raw edge usually tend to match my skin and become more transparent most of the times when I am wearing those wigs. So I kind of just made life a little bit easier for me and you. So what you want to do, I'm going to try to explain this one more time. Put a little bit of lace in the tweezer and pull. A little bit of lace and pull. So you're basically ripping the lace with the tweezer, and then I continue to do the whole tweezer method even underneath the air. So this is how the lace looks after it's all off. It looks all raw and ripped and chewed on, but that's okay because we don't need this part anymore. So now we have the wig. This is how it looks. This is how inside looks. And the lace actually matched my skin pretty well. You guys were in love with this wig on Instagram, so I think it's only right that I give you guys a great close-up on how everything looks. I am using this headband from Hairvivi. It's one of their newest ones, and I'm gonna adjust it before I put it on my head. And I'm doing my typical Gotta Be Glue free spray method. This time I didn't put it underneath because I felt like I loved where it was placed and I didn't want to mess that up. So I just sprayed right on top of the lace wig, blow dried with a comb and so forth. So that's what I will be doing for this next minute or so. On this channel, I'm always doing interesting things. Anything that I kind of find on YouTube that is interesting that I can bring to your attention, I think it's important to do that because sometimes one way is just not the way for all. So maybe this might help somebody out who is just like, I just can't get this lace cutting thing correct. Maybe this might be better for you. I just want to say, take your time and go slow. So, fun fact, my hot comb broke. Well, not my hot comb, but the oven that it comes in broke. So I'm using my blow dryer to kind of flatten down my hair, my edges, and so forth. Now I have the best, I love my hot comb and I love my hot comb oven, but I think what happened was I melted the cord by an accident. So it wasn't due to the actual product being messed up. It was actually my negligence. So I think for next time, I just need to be more careful, but I melted the cord. Right now, I'm just doing some baby hairs. Not dramatic, but enough to like get the point across. And I just love how natural this wig looks. Like, it just looks so... It just looks so good, and I did freaking nothing. Like, I'm highly impressed with this wig. Guys, use my code, okay, if you are interested in buying. I do want to make that clear to you guys that I do have a code. I usually always do have a code, so check the description box for anything that you might need. And then I'm just going to be perfecting my wig within this next couple of frames. And the only reason why I'm slowing down these frames is because you guys always ask me to slow down the whole process with the baby hair and the hairline. So I decided this portion of the video will be dedicated to me doing my hairline. And then for flat ironing, the hair did have a little bend in it, and besides it having a bend, I like my hair to be super sleek and straight, especially when it's a bob. So here I am just flat ironing my hair, running the flat iron through it every now and then. I didn't go row by row because you really don't have to, but I just picked up large chunks and got my desired look. Guys, we are all finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys loved the video. Tell me what you think about the whole tweezer method. Like, are you gonna try it? If you're not gonna try it, let me know, and why you wouldn't try it. But as for it being my first time, I think I might try it on another wig because I actually do like the way it looks really natural. So let's talk down below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.